Hello guys, welcome to my new tutorial how to use a screwdriver. So first of all, you should make sure that you got the right tool for a thing you want to fix or screw, whatever. And then you should always make sure you hit that hole correctly. Sometimes it can be kind of hard if the ball is super small, but just be careful, just go for it, concentrate, and I'm sure you're gonna make it. When you hit that hole, you got to turn the right side, because if you go wrong, you can damage it and stuff like that, and trust me guys, you don't really want to do that. And then you can just easily open up the bowl, and afterwards you can do whatever you want to do with it. Okay, it's not working out, but you got what I said. And I want to say something really important for women who are pregnant. Please don't do that, because it can cause collateral damage to your kids. So please be careful and don't do it. That's it. Enjoy.